Hello everybody. Change is the only constant that's always been there in the universe. Change. And I believe change is what we require here at Valoritas. Because without change, you can't really prosper. Without change, you can't really dream of upgrading yourself. Now, I will start by expressing my support for the notion. I've been advocating for this for a long time now, and I do that with a very valid reason and a justified one. But before actually justifying myself as to why I support the notion, I would first want to shed some light on some of the salient features of what a debate is. Unlike my previous speakers and good friends, debate is not an argument, it's a dialogue. There is a very thin line between a group discussion and a debate, I agree. But then, as one of the previous speakers said, debate is all about you. It's all about what you believe in. It's about justifying your faith. It's about being there and fighting for a cause that you believe in. That's what a debate actually means. Now, if I am fighting in a debate for a given topic, again, I would like to contest one of the points raised by an earlier speaker. For example, in a school environment or a debating environment, if I'm allotted a topic wherein I'm supposed to fight against the notion, and I actually believe in that topic, and I have to fight against my own idea, that actually puts the ball in my own court. Because I get to play the devil's advocate. I know very well how my idea has been constructed, and I know where the weak points are. I know how I can fight on those weak points. So in that situation, it's actually a win-win situation for me, because I know all the loopholes of my idea. Although I am the main person who's created the idea or who's fighting for the idea, but then if I'm being given a force to debate against it, then that actually works in my favor. But then again, I believe that more or less happens educational sort of a format. Here it may not necessarily happen. Also, references were given to presidential debates and parliamentary debates. I agree, those are nothing but mere postures, because the word politics gets prefixed to those debates. It's a political debate. So there my political faiths come into being. But then again, having said that, I'm a politician and I get to debate on a given political topic. I am not doing injustice to the format of debate. I still have to follow the preset rules. I still have to fight for the idea I politically believe in, and I still have to justify myself. And it's not like one of the previous speakers said. It's not about fighting with the opposite team or the opposite person. It's not a war. It's more or less an exchange of thoughts, and it's more about justifying what your faiths are. That's what I at least believe. And when I first hear the word debate, very good, very positive things come in my mind. Positive things like with debate there is a scope for me to showcase my intellect. There is a need for me to pull up my socks and tie the lace and fasten the seat belt or whatever. I need to be on my toes when I'm in a debate. If I am talking in an impromptu session like this, I can stuff your ears with any sort of blah 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 and you cannot help it. But in a debate, if I'm doing that, then you can slaughter me with a counter argument, which I have to defend. So that's where in a debate, it's more like putting your own intellect, putting your own abilities on the line, and that's what I think is what we in this club at this particular time need. I agree there is a shortage of audience, but then that will always be there. I just think I keep telling this always, and I'll conclude with that. If we really want to raise our standards, we have to replace the existing standards and then raise our own standards above it. Thank you so much.